have it running very long because I had no exhaust on, right?
Okay.
Didn't want to overheat the manifolds or anything.
Right.
And so I just running long enough that I could keep it running. So I didn't have any timing done, anything tuning your car, nothing.
Folks, what do we have here? We have a 66 Chevy 2, what we'll call sleeper. Manual drum brakes. There's Adam, the guy who built up the car. Got quite the story on it. It's quite the hot rod too. It has, this is a Corvette engine. What year's the engine from, Adam?
86.
86 Chevy Corvette. Of course, it has an intake manifold with carburation on it. It has a 700 R4. It cruises at 70 miles an hour at just over 1100 RPM, this thing, with the final drive gears it has. It just really loafs along. Upgrades are going to be disc brakes on it, because right now it has manual drum brakes, and this thing is apparently quite a treat to stop at speed. Gotta love the hood on this car too. Check this out. Punisher. Let's see if we get the hood. There we go. I bet this car would be a Punisher to everything that it would try to race. Probably beat. Have you timed the car yet, Adam?
No, I haven't. No, I'd like to.
Let's go, buddy.
Mr. Hines? Good, and you?
Adam is part of the group that we all hang out with when we go to the car shows. He just took this ride out not too long ago.
This last year.
Yeah. Upgrades to come. He's going to be getting rid of the 10 bolt in the back. It has peg leg on it right now, unfortunately. And this car needs all the traction it could get. Interesting. Certainly not a grandmother's car, but if grandmother drove this, boy, would she have fun, I'm sure.
My grandma would hammer down.
Exactly. Nice work, Adam. Good luck. You're welcome.